The equilibrium state of a thermodynamic system is described by which quantity? It's known that the thermodynamic system is in equilibrium when it is having a mechanical equilibrium, thermal equilibrium, and chemical equilibrium. When it is in a thermal equilibrium, we can say at all parts of the system, the temperature remains same. In a case of mechanical equilibrium, we can say the pressure remains same, or else we can say the net force acting on a system remains constant. And in a case of chemical equilibrium, we can say the net chemical reaction will be constant. And here, the system's macroscopic properties do not change over a time. Let us check the quantities given in an option. Whereas option A is given as pressure. Pressure is a key property in determining the mechanical equilibrium. System will be in a mechanical equilibrium if the pressure is uniform throughout the system. So the pressure will be the part of the equilibrium state. So option A will be in our answer. Let us check option B. Total heat. Heat depends on a temperature change and transfer. As I said, the total heat alone does not determine the equilibrium, as a system can have heat without being in an equilibrium. So the total heat by itself does not indicate the thermodynamic equilibrium. So option B will not be in our answer. Let us check option C. Option C is given as temperature. The temperature determines the thermal equilibrium. A system is in a thermal equilibrium when its temperature is uniform across all its parts. So, temperature is a necessary term or necessary quantity for thermal equilibrium. So, option C will be in our answer. Let us check option D. Option D is given as volume. Volume is a macroscopic property that can be uniform at equilibrium under constant condition. So, a uniform and stable volume can indicate the mechanical equilibrium. So, volume can describe the equilibrium state if it is stable and uniform. So, option D will be in our answer. Whereas option E is given as work done. Work done depends on changes in the system, state, or external interaction. Work is not defining the property of thermodynamic equilibrium because it is indicating just the energy transfer. So option E will not be in our answer. So option A, C, D will be the correct quantities which will used to describe the equilibrium state of thermodynamics. So based on that, we can say option D given here will be the correct answer for the question.